the back of the vehicle by the back bumper. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this little clip right here. There's a little tab on each side. We're going to use our 90-degree tool on the back side behind the bumper and our pick on the front side to go ahead and release this clip and pull the reflector out from the front. Now on the outside, we're going to use a small pick. We're going to go between the reflector and we're just going to turn that a little bit. On the inside, we're going to use our 90-degree pry tool and we're going to press in on the tabs while we're prying outward on the reflector. Once we get that out, pull that little tab out. This little tab right here is the one that we're using our 90-degree pry tool on to work both sides to release it from that capture area. You want to start by installing your tab into the notch in the bumper at an angle. Once that's in, line up, press it in until you hear it clip in.